If you're a beginner composer, you've probably realized something very important. Cinematic percussion is expensive, but don't worry, because today I'm going to show you 5 actually usable cinematic percussion libraries, and all the website links will be in the description down below for you. And no, not the ones that sound like somebody hitting a cereal box. This is part of my free Orchestra Starter Pack series, so if you missed strings or brass, go and watch those afterwards, or don't. I'm not your dad. Okay, first up is strike drums. This is the sort of simple but it works option. It comes with pre-made cinematic drum performances, and there's 36 performances included. It's tempo sync, so it's easy to drag in. It's when you want to sound productive without really doing anything. Let's hear what it sounds like. So nice big cinematic sound there. I should mention most of these free libraries do use the full version of Contact, not the free player, which is actually pretty standard for free libraries. And before you ask, no, I'm not going to emotionally support you through that purchase. Next up, we've got Heritage Percussion. It's a kind of hidden gem that I quite like. There's 13 hand percussion instruments like djembes and shakers. We've got multiple mic positions and round robins. It's very organic and realistic. It's not your epic trailer drums, but it is amazing for adding layering and realism. It's the I understand orchestration a little bit starter pack. Let's hear what it sounds like. Now, with all of these, don't forget we can add in some reverb and some EQ. And that's just using Chroma Verb in Logic. It's just the default one that comes with the DAW. So you've probably got one, whichever DAW you are using. Third up, the Triaz player. It's my why is this still free pick. Hybrid acoustic electronic percussion, built-in sequencer and layering engine. It's more modern cinematic hybrid scoring, think Netflix trailers. Is this one cheating? It sort of composes for you. So similar to the strike drums that we heard to start with. Let's have a look at Percussion Elements 2. This is my Layer It or Regret It pack. It's got multi-mic controls, loads of controls as you can see. There's a built-in epicness knob, as you can see. Yes, that really does work. And it comes with rhythmic phrases and hits already built in. Let's hear what it sounds like. On its own, it's sort of okay. When you start layering this, it sounds like Hans Zimmer might be outside your house. And my final pick is BBCSO Discover. In case you haven't downloaded it already, we've got tuned percussion and untuned percussion. It's a great resource. You have to put a bit more programming effort in, but let's hear what it sounds like. Okay, just for fun, what does it sound like if we actually layer all of those on top of each other? Yeah, that's sounding pretty epic already. So, quick tip for you, free percussion won't sound Hollywood necessarily on its own. It's all about the layering, the reverb, velocity variation, things like that. Practice makes perfect here. And not quantizing everything like a robot. Let's be honest, you're going to download all of these, use one, and you'll still look at paid libraries. Same. If this helped you, I've got more in this series. Woodwinds are probably next unless I get distracted. Subscribe if you want more composing stuff that doesn't destroy your wallet. And comment cereal box percussion if you made it this far. See you next time.